There'll be parties for hosting, champagne flutes for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. That saying is not original. I stole it from a book, but anyway, welcome back, friends. My name is Lydia. Today we are making some festive winter cocktails. I've got 3 recipes included in this video that I believe you're going to love. And if you watch till the end, I've got a bonus mocktail recipe as well. Since a lot of us are home for the holidays or traveling home for the holidays, I figured this is the perfect time to get creative in the kitchen. This video is brought to you by Lincoln, a furry dash hound that loves to give kisses, don't you? If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like. And if you're new to my channel, please click subscribe for all things travel, tips, creative inspiration, and filmmaking. Let's go ahead and get creative, making some delicious cocktails.
Christmas time is...
All right, first up, you guys, is the Evergreen Sparkler. This pleasingly piney drink will be a very satisfying way to spread Christmas cheer after a day of Christmas shopping or walking out in the forest. Before you go to whip up this drink, I recommend preparing a rosemary syrup in advance. What you're going to need for the rosemary syrup is 1 cup of sugar, 8 ounces of water, and 3 rosemary sprigs. Bring this combination to a rapid boil, stir until the water is dissolved, and strain the syrup. To make this recipe, fill a tumbler glass with ice, pull out your shaker and fill with ice, and put into the shaker 2 ounces of gin, 2 ounces of rosemary syrup, 2 ounces of fresh lemon juice. Go ahead and shake that vigorously. Strain into the glass and leave about 1 inch of space at the top of the glass so that you're able to top off with club soda. Garnish with a rosemary sprig and you're good to go. Drink number 2, French Kiss. This cocktail uses Lillet, which is a French aperitif made from wine, herbs, and brandy. Its distinctive flavor adds a flair of sophistication to this very delicate cocktail. To make this drink, pour in 1 ounce of Lillet into a champagne flute. Add your 4 ounces of champagne and stir. Twist an orange peel over the top of the drink and then drop in for garnish. I recommend serving this drink during appetizers and before the main meal is served. I feel like this is the perfect New Year's Eve party drink. Up next, we have drink number 3, It's a Wonderful Life. If only George Bailey could have sipped on one of these smooth, creamy cocktails, he would have truly known what a wonderful life he was living. No joke, this drink is so good, you guys. To make this recipe, go ahead and fill an old-fashioned glass halfway with ice. Next, you'll want to pull out your shaker and fill it with ice as well. Go ahead and pour 3 ounces of half and half into your shaker with 1 1/2 ounces of Irish cream liqueur and a 1/2 ounce of creme de la menthe liqueur. Shake this mixture until cold, strain into your old-fashioned glass, and dust with ground cinnamon for garnish. All right, you guys, and the last drink on our menu today is a mocktail called Cranberry sauce. This drink has many of the same ingredients as the relish that we expect to see on the table during the holiday season. To make this recipe, go ahead and fill a wine glass with crushed ice. Pour 8 ounces of cranberry cocktail juice. Pour in 2 ounces of club soda, 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1 teaspoon of fresh orange juice, and garnish with a lime twist. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers to the most wonderful time of year and to you. Bye.